In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 1x1 and 2x2 ID photos using Canva. Whether you need to create your own ID photo for a passport, visa, or any other purpose, Canva makes it incredibly simple to get the dimensions just right. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can master this helpful skill in no time. First, once you've logged into Canva, you'll want to create a new design. Look for the option for a custom size, because this will allow us to get very specific with our dimensions to make sure your ID photo meets the necessary standards. Now, the location of these options might vary a bit depending on any updates Canva has made, but generally, you'll find the custom size option on the right side of the screen as you start a new project. Once you've clicked on Custom Size, you'll see options for dimensions either in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. For ID photos, using inches is most convenient. If it's set to pixels or any other unit, don't worry. You can easily change this setting to inches. Simply click on the drop-down menu where it says PX, which stands for pixels, and select In for inches. For a 2x2 ID photo, you'll need to enter 2 for both the width and the height. So essentially, you're setting up a square canvas that's 2 inches by 2 inches. It's crucial to make sure these measurements are correct, as ID photos generally have strict size requirements. Once you've input these numbers, you're ready to click on Create New Design. This opens up your perfectly sized canvas, where you can start editing and adding your photo. Now, you might be wondering, what about creating a 1x1 ID photo? No need to fret. The process is almost identical. After you've gone through the steps for the 2x2, the only difference is changing those dimensions. Go back to the Custom Size menu and simply replace the number 2 with a 1 for both the width and height. Hit Create New Design again, and you'll have a new square canvas measuring 1 inch by 1 inch, perfect for any smaller size requirements. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to creating both 1x1 and 2x2 ID photos using Canva. This method allows you to customize with ease and ensures your photos meet exact specifications. Remember to always double-check the specific size requirements for your ID photos before printing or uploading, as small mistakes can lead to big headaches. With these steps, you'll be confidently creating ID photos in moments, ready for whatever you need them for. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy Canva tips.